everybody! Look what came in the mail today. It's my FabFitFun box. I used to subscribe to this a long time ago, and then this year I decided to subscribe again. I do like this box because it has different things than just makeup and other stuff. It has, like, sometimes it has clothes and sometimes it has things for your house. So let's see what I got in the FabFitFun box this time. This is the fall box. Oh, I should show you this. This is the fall box, and look how pretty it is inside. They used to give you much prettier boxes, to be honest, but you know, I think, whoa, this is very squished. I think that overall it's to save money and to be a little nicer to the planet, so that's fine. So the first thing that I got that I found on top, and it was a little squished, is called the Creme Shop Be Happy Skin. And it's got a little capybara with the orange on his head, and it has some masks inside. It's a set of 3, and it says, let me get my magnifying glass, animate your skin with the Creme Shop's animal masks. Okay, cool. We'll try that out later. Maybe after I wash my face. Then next, and I did put some add-ons in this, so to be honest, I don't know which ones are from the add-ons and which ones were with the box. I got a little card here about Rent the Runway with 40% off. I also got a HelloFresh coupon for 11 free meals. I haven't tried HelloFresh. Oh, this fell off too, the little card. But I do use Cook Unity, and I love Cook Unity. Their food is so good. Okay, the first thing I got here is a... Oh, it says, let's take care of our world. I'm made from post-consumer, and then the rest of it's kind of blurred out. So it looks like a little blanket, Sunday Citizen blanket. I like to have lots of blankets around. Some of them, you know, first of all, I get cold even in the summer with the air on. Ooh. And sometimes my dog likes to claim the blankets. She does this funny thing where she suckles the blankets like she's a baby and she has to nurse on the blanket or something. But it's a nice cozy blanket. It's not super soft, but it's squishy. I like that. So we got a blanket, pretty big. Then we got, something from Ellis, Brooklyn. I'm pretty sure that I put this in as an add-on. I love Ellis, Brooklyn, and they have really nice scents. And this one is a hair and body spray called Peaches. One of the things that is nice about these prescription. One of the things that's nice about these subscription boxes is a lot of times the add-ons are much cheaper than you would pay for things in the store. So let's spray some of this on. The atomizer's really nice. Oh, it smells pretty nice too. Let's see if it has the notes on here. It says, divine nectar, fresh peaches, and the magic of a secret garden. Juicy, playful, uplifting. And then it has it in French. It doesn't say what the notes are, but obviously peaches is one of them. So love that. Then I also have something from Find Comfort Body and Hair Fragrance Mist. So another perfume. I'm like really into perfumes lately, and really I need another perfume like I need a hole in my head. But I have a billion of them, so might as well use them. This one looks like this. Let's see what it says about this one. A super fine fragrance mist infused with biotin, niacinamide, and peach flower. Ooh, more peach extract to revitalize your hair and body throughout the day with a fresh, addictive scent. Ooh, it sounds like it's a shaky one. I'm gonna spray some on my hair. That's a little spicier than the Ellis Brooklyn one. Okay, then we also got a Rare Beauty product. This is Find Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. So let's try some of that out. Of course it has like a tape on it because everything's trying to destroy my nails today. Let's see. Everything's destroying my nails. Okay. So let's see how that looks. Got some goo. It feels nice. It's very light and watery feeling. It smells good. It smells like a fresh scent, like maybe lemons and greens. Let me see if it says anything on the back. A lightweight, nutrient-infused body lotion that absorbs quickly to hydrate, nourish, and soften with a fresh, non-greasy feel, all while visibly revitalizing skin with a healthy glow. I have to get out my magnifying glass to read this. It's so tiny. Look how tiny those words are. And then it says the ingredients. And it doesn't say anything about the scent at all. So the next thing we have in here, oh my God, where did this come from? I have a Pat McGrath palette in here. I don't remember ordering this. Which one is this? This is this crazy? A Pat McGrath palette? That's like $120 some. Okay. This is eyeshadow palette. It has the ingredients on the back. I mean, her packaging, come on, it's like the best, right? I am going to do a beauty battle of Pat McGrath versus Natasha Denona, so stay tuned for that. I'm trying to figure out if I have this palette already. It's got colors called Skin Tense Radiance, Nude Rose, Hypnotic Bronze, Astral Pink Fetish, Blitz Crimson Ecstasy, Extreme Vermilion Dusk, Copper Dawn, Sienna Mystique, Astral Amethyst Allure, and Astral Gilded Aura. Let me see if I can see if it says what number this is. It does not. I'm going to carefully open this so that we can look inside and see if this is one that I have already. It's beautiful. It's like got some really pretty rose colors. Let me go grab my other palette and see if it matches any of those. I don't think it does. I don't think I have this one. No, I definitely don't have this one. So I'm going to swatch this out for you guys. It's got 10 beautiful colors. And she has special shades that are in this... Oops. They're in this quad here. So I'm going to swatch that out for you guys. But, like, since when has Pat McGrath been in... FabFitFun? I have not seen anything from FabFitFun. Now, one of the big comments about Pat McGrath is that her colors are always like this rosy pink color, which I love But yeah, like give us something a little bit different, please. I think this is number 11. I will put it in the comments below what it is. And I will say one of these special shades, the pinky one that's the next to the last one, it's so pretty. So we're definitely going to play with that. Then we're also going to look at these colors. There's like a brown, copper, another rose brown, and ooh, that gold is pretty. I mean, Pat McGrath has an amazing formula in these palettes. I will say I haven't tried anything that's come out from her lately, but this is the baked palette version that comes from Italy. And they're just like, that's a single swatch, not pressing very hard into the palettes or anything. They're really nice. So I'm going to put this back in its box and we'll play with that another time. Look at that. I was completely shocked by that. Okay, let me clean up my hand and we will keep going because there's more stuff in this box. This is a really good box this time. Okay, next we have a Saturday Skin, and I like Saturday Skin. They have pretty good yuzu products. This is a little trial set, and it's Yuzu Bright Besties. It's got in it a Yuzu Bright Toner, Vitamin C Bright Toner, a Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, and a Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. And I love the sleep mask. The sleep mask is like fire. All right, so we got that. That'll be nice for travel. We got a Soft Peach Luminous Powder Blush. And it's in the shade Hope. And it's a Rare Beauty one. And these are lit. They're so good. Let's see. Oh, this is the different one. I have another type of Rare Beauty one where it's like the cream to powder, and that's really fun. Let's swatch that because this looks pretty. I'm going to put it on the inner part of my wrist because, to be honest, it is very light, but that's fine. It's very much like the NARS Orgasm color. But it's very shiny, so it's like a blush highlighter combo. Luminous. It's luminous. We're going to try that out at some point. And then, let's see. One more thing in the box. Oh, this is cool. And honestly, I don't remember choosing any of this stuff. I'm going to have to look up and put in the comments what I chose. A little sweater. It's a pretty sweater. It feels a little thin, but I can always use a sweater. This is made by NIA, and I have it in a small medium because if you didn't know, I've recently lost 18 pounds. And yes, I'm on Wegovy. And you know what? There's nothing to be ashamed of if you're on a weight loss drug. You're doing it for your health and your doctor prescribed it. So I'm on Wegovy, lost 18 pounds, very proud of myself because it's still not easy. You still get cravings and stuff, and I still want to eat at night till like my head explodes. So yeah. That small medium will be nice this winter when I continue to lose weight. So that's everything in the box. We got the lotion, 2 cents, the Pat McGrath palette, the blush, a blanket, and the sweater. Oh, and the yuzu thing. So I'll put in the description which ones were the choices and which ones I put on as add-ons, and I'll let you know if I can find it, how much I paid for them as well. Hope you really liked this unboxing. I was completely surprised. So let me know what you got in your FabFit your FabFit box if you have one. And if not, let me know if you would ever subscribe to this. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. And remember, don't be sad, be happy. Talk to you soon. Bye.